Matt, this story is just incredible. I think we all read it and were amazed. Just talk to us about what's going on, because I think there's some perception out there that perhaps the concerns about retail are being hyped by the media.
Yeah, you hear that from the industry. They say that
Yes.
just a couple of big chains that are struggling. We all know those names, Penney, Sears, whatever. But if you look at sort of what's going on in retail, like right now we have a pretty healthy economy, consumer confidence is high, but yet all these retailers, even pretty healthy ones, are struggling. Okay, so there's been this term retail apocalypse that's been thrown around.
Yes.
But if you really look at what's coming over the next 5 to 7 years, there's an explosion of debt coming due, high yield debt, so that's debt that's riskier, that's with retailers that are somewhat struggling already, at a time when overall high yield debt is exploding as well. So what's likely to happen, and again, credit markets are likely to tighten, so you're going to have all this debt coming due for all these struggling retailers exactly when it's going to be harder to refinance it.
And we have a chart here showing some of the distress, some of these department stores, and their extraordinary debt levels.
Yes.
What are the type of companies that are sort of most stressed here? Here we have it up here.
I mean, the department stores stand out. I mean, this is a chart. Basically, this is the largest publicly traded department stores in the country. And yes, Sears is distressed levels, Bonton's at distressed levels, and then the other ones are okay right now. And the reason why this is a big worry is because there's all these potential spillover effects, right? So the retail industry employs the most low-income people in the country. 8 million people are either retail sales or cashiers. These are people making about $20,000 a year. So if more stores go away and less people working in stores, those people will be impacted. Then there's all the states that rely on retail jobs, and it varies by state. So some states have benefited more from retail growth, others have lost jobs. So there's a huge impact potential here to the economy that we might see over the next 5 to 7 years as this shakes out.